In this video, I'll show you how to install Peacock on Roku Stick. Step 1. Turn on your Roku Stick. Make sure your Roku Stick is connected to your TV and powered on. Step 2. Navigate to streaming channels. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Then select streaming channels from the menu. Step 3. Search for Peacock. In the streaming channels store, select search channels and type Peacock. Step 4. Add the Peacock channel. Select the Peacock app from the search result and choose Add Channel to install it on your Roku stick. Step 5. Open Peacock and sign in. After installation, open the Peacock app and sign in with your account credentials to start streaming. Now I have some tips for installing Peacock on Roku. Ensure your Roku device software is up to date for compatibility. Use a stable internet connection for smooth streaming. I advise you to use an Ethernet cable. If Peacock isn't found, restart your Roku and try again. And that's how you install Peacock on your Roku stick. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.